Um, but are you a fan of horror movies that leave you on the edge of your seat? If so, you'll be thrilled to know that Smile 2 has been a massive hit, topping the box office since its release in October 2024. This sequel takes the chilling premise of the original and ramps up the terror. Thanks to Naomi Riley's standout performance as Skye Riley. But be warned, this article contains spoilers for Smile 2. The movie follows the story of Skye, uh, a popular music star who inherits a vicious curse after a gruesome encounter with her drug supplier. The curse causes individuals to experience intense hallucinations and ultimately take their own life in front of someone else, who then becomes the next victim. And as the curse takes hold of Skye, she becomes desperate to find a way to break it. Um, that's when she meets Nurse Morris, who suggests a drastic solution: stop her heart and then revive her, hoping that the entity can't persist without a host. Skye eventually takes Morris's advice and travels to a derelict Pizza Hut where she injects herself with a syringe to halt her heartbeat. Uh, However, the injection fails, and Skye finds herself back on stage at Madison Square Garden, ready to start her concert tour. As she looks out at the crowd, Skye realizes that her mother is alive, and everything that has happened in the past few days was just a hallucination. But it's too late as the entity takes over Skye's body, and she ends her own life on stage in front of thousands of spectators, bound at all. The implications of this ending are concerning, as the event was being broadcast on large screens throughout the stadium, potentially exposing a massive number of people to the curse. Director Parker Finn told Entertainment Weekly that the idea of Skye appearing on stage, overtaken by the smile in front of 20,000 ecstatic spectators, was both exhilarating and terrifying. The smile's impact on celebrity culture and public influence is a critique that Finn wanted to explore further. Um, so if there's a Smile of 3, we can expect the terror to reach an even bigger audience. Um, if you enjoyed this article, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And before I let you go, here's a little joke for you. Why don't ghosts like rave? It dampens their spirits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.